Hello everyone, welcome to Vishnu IS Academy. Today, as a part of some of the important current affairs, we'll discuss few of them. So, coming to our first current affair, Eat Right India is a campaign started by our Indian government with the help of FISSAI in the year 2018. Why? Because according to a Lancet study, by 2050, most of the Indian, let's say 1/3 of the Indians are affected with obesity. That's what Lancet study says. That's why it is important thing to get concerned. So if you say what is obesity, then obesity is something then if someone has body mass index more than 30 or equal to 30, we'll call that person as obese. So what are the consequences of obesity? Obesity may eventually lead to type 2 diabetes, heart problems, or even the lethargy also will increase in an individual. So with this we are facing an huge problem because of obesity. That's why there is need to keep an eye upon. So let's say what is meant by this Eat Right initiative. So Eat Right initiative has 3 pillars, nothing but once: eat safe, eat healthy, and eat in a sustainable manner. So because whatever we are eating, that should be safe. That is the key role for this pillar. And eat healthy. Whatever you are eating, that should be healthy, without salts, sugars, less in carbohydrates and sugars as well. That's what eat healthy means. And eat sustainable. Whatever we are eating, that should be sustainable, like by avoiding plastics, or if you are using plastics to store or preserve food, that plastics should be recycled one. That's what eat sustainable in the means. So that's why we have, with the help of this Eat Right India, we have nearly 12 lakh food handlers have been tried, such that Eat Right, these pillars should be easily implemented. And we also have 284 Eat Right stations also been established. And there are 249 clean street food hub stations also been placed. And we have been used 55 plus lakhs of liters of cooking oil has been used for reusing purpose. That along with that, we also use 39 lakh liters have been converted into a biodiesel as a fuel. And Eat Right initiative also been internationally recognized by WHO and Rockefeller Foundation also. It's been in news because it's a very big campaign run by the government. So if there is something big, some initiatives will be taken by the government, right? So we'll see 2 of the initiatives taken by the government for the successful running of this campaign that has been started by an Union Health Minister JP Nadda. So first initiative is Stop Obesity campaign. It has been launched in 2025. This has launched on the occasion of Stop Obesity campaign on World Food Safety Day on June 7th. So for this, what our minister has told, please reduce your salt intake and oil intake by 10%, so that we'll get rid of obesity as much as possible. And coming to next, Microplastic Research Initiative. What it is, as we know, while consuming our food, they'll be having certain microplastics like MCC, which are invisible to us, but they'll cause more harm to us, and they're not environmental friendly as well. So as a part of it, in 2024 itself, by collaborating with CSIR and ICAR, we have launched certain technologies for the research of this microplastics. So coming to the next current affair, and now recently we found a hero in Kenya, which is about, like as we said, plastic is the greatest threat in the world today. So recently researchers have found an hero, nothing but a worm. What is the name of the worm? Mealworm. mealworm larvae that are capable of consuming plastics. So it is first in Africa to have, like, it is the first species in Africa who has the capability to decompose or eat plastics. That's an important thing. And this species, if you see in foods, we'll usually see polystyrene. We'll call it as a styrofoam in general. It is widely used in industrial applications or in the storage applications of food or in the electronic applications. So that will be usually, it is more durable and it is not easily breakable also. That's why it is not environment friendly. So mealworm is now a larvae who has ability to decompose this polystyrene. That's why now it is a hero. So, and one more thing is, we can break down polystyrene but with a lot of expenses. Like traditional methods like physical and chemical process or Dhalmer process also can be used, but these are very expensive. But with the help of these worms, it is easy for them to break down and then decompose. That's why they are, like, these are useful. And with that also, and one more thing is, by using this Kenyan lesser mealworm, this mealworm has some gut which it uses for breaking down his own food. So if scientists started examining this gut, they can easily assess how these polystyrene has been decomposed by this mealworm. In that way, they can easily find the future of the plastic decomposition as well. That's why it's very important for us to know about it. And next, coming to third current affair, as we know, under Operation Sindoor, as a retaliation of Pahalgam attack, we have launched the Operation Sindoor. So with that, most of the, like, even India and most of the world are claiming the resistance front, nothing but TRF as the main culprit for the Pahalgam attack. So what India wants to do, India wants to say this, the resistance front TRF, to be designated as a terrorist organization under UNSC. So, but China and other forces who are supporting Pakistan, they're not let them happen. So that's why recently what US did, US itself has said TRF is an designated terrorist group. That's why with the help of this US supporting India in this matter, now it is easy for India to bring the status to TRF as a terrorist group itself. So Ministry of External Affairs has called it a timely important step by US in the favor of India. So that's why it is in news. And there is also one thing, there is one clause related to this section, nothing but a 1267 committee that sanctions actually the terrorist groups who are under the list, who are being called as a terrorist groups. That's why these two things are in news. That's why we can see now US is playing an important role in India's list and attacking Pakistan by attacking India by Pakistan is now recognized by US, so that in future UN list also it will be incorporated. So now US in this manner, it made India's step so easy. So in this way, peace talks are going between US and India in order the thing to be done at the right time. So that's it for today. Thank you so much.